Hey, what's up, Profit Cleaners? I got a special bonus for you guys, something you can pull out right on your phone, and you can actually have us in your pocket. Literally have a cleaning business coach in your pocket directly from our $5 million cleaning business that we've built. From all of our trainings, everything we've ever said, it's baked into this GPT I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is called the Brandon Brain Profit Cleaners Coach. It's a 24/7 coach, your personal cleaning business coach that basically is Brandon Condry and myself, trained on 10 years of building our own business with real world experience from Sandia Green Clean, our $5 million brand here in New Mexico, plus thousands of students, plus every single sales training we've ever done, plus every recording, plus every part of our course, every playbook. It's baked into this GPT, and it's amazing, guys. Just the value of this alone. If I would have had this when I was starting out with the cleaning business, or just even now, it's fun. I'll pull it out right now and just start messing with it and getting ideas and brainstorming my business. I'm going to show you guys in this video a few uses for it and how to actually get the best uses out of it. And I'm going to just show you guys live how to use it. So it's really fun. But anyways, part of this is as a bonus to the most recent offer and really the last call offer that we're doing, the last class for the Profit Cleaners. And I know it's kind of bittersweet, but as you guys have heard us saying, we're wrapping up the course. We're not going to be selling it again in the future. We're not going to be selling ongoing passes of the coaching, but we are going to keep doing the weekly coaching for the community. So if you guys are still wanting to be part of that, jump in. But this is part of one of the bonuses you get, one of the AI tools that we've built. And I think it's just really incredible. I'm just the value of this alone. So, but anyways, once you jump into this, you can ask it any question. And this is called the Brandon Brain perfect response kind of sheet that we've set up in the course as well for you guys. So, essentially, you can get all of the best ways to use it, how to talk to your AI coach, so it gives you 10 out of 10 answers every time, and get answers to anything you guys want to know. But here's some examples quickly. How should I price a 3,000 square foot home? What do I say in a hiring interview? How do I handle a customer complaint? When should I hire my first employees? What is the best way to get reviews, right? So let's just take one of these questions here and let's pop it into the GPT, okay? And let's ask it, what's the best way to get reviews? Okay, and let's let it think here. And this is, again, something you can pull out on your phone. You could have it in your pocket while you're cleaning, while you're on a job, while you're hiring a team. I mean, literally. So it'll create SOPs and processes on the fly for you guys. So it'll quickly give you, the best. This is exactly from our trainings, stuff that we would teach you guys, right? And so it's giving you scripts. It's giving you exactly what we would say, the review systems that we have, right? Implementation steps, and then it'll just keep asking. So the difference between this and like a normal GPT, guys, is you've got, if you just go to ChatGPT by itself, that's vanilla ChatGPT. Maybe it kind of knows you. Maybe you have memory turned on. I'm not sure. But this is coming directly from everything we've taught in the course and the coaching for years and years and years, and literally real world business experiences and scenarios from our business. So it really is a very unique flavor and perspective that you're getting with this tool. And it's not just a vanilla ChatGPT, right? Which most people using ChatGPT, that's what you're going to get is a vanilla answer. But this is going to give you real context, a real contextual answer coming directly from a $5 million cleaning business. So start with context, even if it feels obvious. It's going to really perform better when you guys give it more context. So I have a team of 5. My biggest issue is hiring or inconsistent quality. I'm trying to improve my hiring funnel. I need a script for my price increase for a long-term client, right? The more context you give it, the better result it's going to give you. Tell it what you want and how you want it. So ask clearly for what you prefer. If you want a checklist, if you want an SOP, if you want a step-by-step, how to clean something, a script for something, a coaching plan, a meeting agenda, a training module, a rewrite, an audit, or a diagnostic even, right? So turn this 5-step thing, SOP, standard operating procedure, so I can give it to my team, right? Or rewrite this message in a Profit Cleaner's tone, or give me a pricing script of the objections and responses. So use the magic phrase, use the Profit Cleaners method, okay? So this is going to force the tool to give you, forcing the context directly from our course, our coaching calls, our actual playbooks, our standard operating procedures, and our philosophy. So it's not just general advice. And then, everything, again, is built on that, but this is going to really force it to give you that high level, deeper approach, drastically improves the accuracy. So, for example, you can say, coach me through using the Profit Cleaners quality first philosophy, right? And it would tell you exactly how we would do that. So ask for options, not just one answer. Give me 3 variations. Give me a starter, advanced, and pro versions. And then when you don't like an answer first, just ask it shorter, make it better, go deeper, There's all sorts of examples there. Make it sound more like Brandon. Feed it raw material. You can paste in your scripts, messages to clients, team issues, SOP drafts, photos of cleaning problems, customer complaints, hiring responses, and then ask, improve this using the Profit Cleaners methodology or method, right? Rewrite this with the secret sauce standards. So those are a few kind of secret prompts you guys can use, and it'll pull out even better results for you. And then use the coaching mode prompt. If you guys want to have an accountability, you really want to have us like holding you accountable in your back pocket. I think that's really fun, and you can just pull it out and talk to us like we're coaching in your back pocket, like you're on a live coaching call, which you're not on a live coaching call all the time, but we do those once a week. We're going to continue doing those once a week for everybody that jumps in on this final offer that we're putting together. But you'll have this tool 24/7 helping you work through your business strategically at a very high level. And I think it's just super cool. I'm really excited to give this to you guys. So, but yeah, you can have it act as my coach. Ask me 5 questions to diagnose my situation before giving advice, and it activates deeper thinking, right? So have it hold you accountable. Ask it to hold you accountable for your goals, and as if we were holding you accountable, right? Like a real cleaning coach. And then use the audit me prompt. One of the most powerful uses, audit my business. Tell me the top 3 things to fix. I think that's super cool that you can do that. Audit this SOP based on the Profit Cleaners method. It'll give you laser focus. And then for your team use, tell it who the audience is. Write this for brand new cleaners. Write this for my leads. Write this as a message to a frustrated client, so it could respond to reviews for you. Write this for managers implementing world-class standards, and then ask for training resources built for you. Give me a training plan based on Profit Cleaners principles. Give me a 15-minute morning huddle plan, right, for my team level 10 meeting. Build a weekly accountability checklist, right? And then the golden prompt. Use this anytime, guys. Here's my situation. Insert your situation, your problem, your challenge. Using the Profit Cleaners method, give me the most accurate step-by-step Brandon-style guidance. Format it as SOP, checklist, script, plan. Ask clarifying questions if needed. And then this triggers the GPA's highest quality mode. So that is the kind of behind-the-scenes user guide for this GPT, guys. It's really, really cool. I'm not going to spill all the beans, but let's just give it one more of those prompts and see like how it does for... I want to hire my first employee. Actually, let's do that very, very last golden prompt, and let's say, here's my situation, right? Let's actually put that in there and see what it pulls out for us. So we're going to go in there and say, here's my situation. I need to hire my first employee, right? Using the Profit Cleaners method, give me the most accurate step-by-step. I want a SOP, standard operating procedure, right? And then let's pop it in there. Let's see what it does. I think this is really fun. And the more you guys can use something like this, a tool like ChatGPT with our framework layered into it, the better thinking you're going to be able to do, right? Think of it like you're going to be able to brainstorm at a higher level, solve problems at a higher level. And this is what we've been talking about in the mastermind recently, guys. The biggest firms in the world, like McKinsey Research, one of the top recent consultant firms in the world, sold $15 billion of goods and services last year, and was the highest user of ChatGPT tokens because they're just solving problems for people using something like this, like a ChatGPT tool, a custom GPT tool. So this tool alone, guys, will help you solve so many problems in your business just automatically 24/7, right? So here's your SOP for hiring your first employee: purpose, scope, owner, know your numbers and your standards, right? Define the perfect fit, Profit Cleaner style. All the stuff that we would teach you guys. This is crazy, like how accurate a lot of this stuff is. I mean, I'm gonna have to really look through this even more. But every time I've tested this, guys, it's amazing. It's spot on, and I think it's really gonna really help you guys. So I just can't imagine not having this now that I have it, and we're using it for our business. But I'm just saying, for you guys to have the ability to have this, the opportunity to have this is just so amazing. Gives you a job template, and you can just keep asking it questions, guys. Right, like where to post. Application filter, phone screen questions, right? This is pulling directly from our content. In-person interview, gives you the flows, give you the questions. Working interview, phase 4, what to observe. I mean, it's amazing. Like this is so valuable. And I could give you this on a phone call, but not even in this detail, right? This is just writing it out for you, giving you an amazing amount of value here. So anyways, that's and we can just keep prompting it, keep asking it questions, and it gives you more ideas here. Of more things we can go through. But I mean, guys, use something like this to save you time, compress time. We're all about getting your time back, right? That's what the podcast is all about. That's what all of these trainings are about building systems, building structure in your business, helping you build a team. And these are the kind of tools you can give your team, right? Give your team this tool as well. And when they're having issues, have it just coach them too. Like, use it throughout your whole team, and all you got to do is share the link. Let me move my my thing here, but on the actual GPT, you can literally just, up here, you can actually just share the link, okay? Copy link, right? And you can share it out to your teams, right? Keep it within the Profit Cleaners community, obviously, but this is what we want to give you guys as a gift for showing up and being awesome and being part of the community. And this is just one of many bonuses we're giving you. We're building a lot of other really cool AI tools and stuff to help you guys even go faster and be more efficient and be more profitable. So take it or leave it, but I think this is a huge value add. And then again, if you guys haven't checked it out, go to profitcleaners.com/last-class. profitcleaners.com/last-class. I'm going to just go to it right now, profitcleaners.com/last-class. And we're going to just show you guys, this is the last time we're offering this training in this community and this weekly coaching calls that we've been doing. Okay, guys, so this is the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. We've had this up since a few days this week, but we're closing it down. And seriously, guys, I want you guys to be part of it. If you've been on the fence, if you've been waiting for an opportunity like this to jump in, because I know a lot of you couldn't afford it in the past. We've sold this for $5,000 to $7,000 with the marketing included and everything in the past. So this is an amazing opportunity, guys, to get access to all the systems, still be part of the weekly coaching. I think that's the hugest value. The weekly coaching in the community, you'll be part of that lifetime access as you guys grow your business, but we're not going to be opening this again in the future. This is the last time we're offering it. You can watch a little video about Brandon and I talking about it here if you want, but claim your access, read the story, guys, of how we built our brand, okay, and how you guys can model success, save that time. And I'm just going to give you guys, just click on this, click through to the sales page and check out, guys. You can do a one payment offer checkout, or you can do a payment plan, okay? And this is the last time we're going to offer this, guys. It's kind of bittersweet, but the brand I just showed you is part of this. This is like one of the bonuses, but you get the whole training, you get the whole course, you get everything we've ever built, plus access to the ongoing weekly coaching. I think that is a phenomenal value, and that alone is priceless. It's not even worth $5,000. It's probably worth way more than that. The branded brains, what I just showed you, and then you get all of our templates. We're doing a special implementation sprint for you guys as well, and then all of our flagship trainings and everything that we've always put together. So $17,000 of value for $997, guys, or 3 payments at $397. So you guys decide if that's valuable enough. It's going to cost you a lot of money to not have this knowledge in your business, right? It's in making your own mistakes and not modeling success. So I highly advise you guys to jump in, get as close to your mentors as you possibly can. And again, guys, things are shifting in our business, so this is the last time this is going to be available. So jump in while you guys still can. This will be available through Cyber Monday night, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the inside. I hope you guys use this tool. I think it's super fun and cool. I think it's going to help you guys a lot in your business. I know it's going to help us and just help us kind of repurpose everything that we've ever taught and just revamp it into our business and help us keep growing. So be on the journey with us, guys. That's part of the mastermind, is a rising tide raises all ships. So be part of the journey. Surround yourself with people winning and doing it, so you guys can take it to the next level and win. That's what it's all about in the mastermind, is just iron sharpens iron, right? So get better, sharpen your axe, so you can get out there and you can dominate your market. Don't compete, dominate, and actually get better, add some new skills, position yourself for 2026, and use a cool tool like this to help you guys just solve big problems that maybe you've been having. Just get in here and ask the tool, hey, how do I do this? How do I price? How do I do a price increase? How do I hire a team? How do I fire? How do I do this? Whatever it is, just get in here and use this tool to think bigger and solve bigger problems so you can go faster in 2026. So I think, again, guys, this is one of my favorite tools that we're giving you, but you get all the trainings. And my favorite thing too is you get the community and the ongoing lifetime access to the coaching. So jump in, guys, profitcleaners.com/last-class. Head over to the bundle here and check out. We'll see you guys on the inside. Be great, keep it clean, take massive action, guys. We'll see you guys in 2026 and taking it to new heights. So keep it clean, everybody.